I'm gonna show you the real way to earn a steady income online and probably ditch your 9-to-5 office job. And I'll show you where and how you can apply to one of these jobs at the end of this video. So stick around. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm CH Morgan, your digital workspace guide to a better life. And for those of you who are new to the channel, my job is to show you real, no BS ways to possibly earn a living by working online. First off, let's talk about some of the benefits of working online versus working in person or in a real office. And I see this as a 4-part package deal. Number 1, you are your own boss. You have to treat your online presence as your own business. This doesn't necessarily mean you have to be strict and rigid, but it does mean you're accountable to yourself for what you do online. This means that you are your own brand. Number 2, you can work from anywhere. Anywhere in the world? Yes, anywhere in the world. You just need your laptop, or in many cases, just your phone, and a good internet connection, and then you can work online wherever your heart desires. Number 3, you can earn in dollars. You might think that if you live someplace other than the US, you can't earn in dollars, but that's just not true. You can work online for companies within the US, even though you're not present in the US, and still earn in dollars. You just have to set up a payment method that can reach you wherever you are. But yes, as I said in number 2, you can work anywhere and you can earn in dollars. Number 4, you decide how much or how little you want to work. The benefit of online jobs is the flexibility you get from them. And while there are some jobs in which you would have to set up or have a set amount of time to do the job in, most of them you own your own time. What I mean by this is that you make your own schedule and you administer your own time. And that's one of the benefits, one of the many benefits you have by working online. Well, you might be thinking, well, that's all well and good, but how do you get an online job? Well, first you have to decide, what do you want to do online? And this question is important because it'll determine what type of job you get, where you apply, and ultimately the success of working online. So you have to decide what job can you or are you willing to do online. And in the upcoming videos, I'll be going through some of the jobs I've talked about in my first video. So if you haven't seen that one, I'll leave a link here so you can go watch it and know what I'm talking about. But let's try something out, and let's say you like writing for a living, or you want to go into writing for a living. Well, I'll tell you, there are many jobs out there for writers. For example, you can start an online blog, you can ghostwrite a story, etc. There are many types of online writing jobs, but if you want to avoid the hassle and time it takes for some of these jobs to take off, then I've got something to show you, and I'll show you right now on screen. Let's go and let's go into EssayShark.com. There are several other places where you can go and have an online writing job, but this is one I've used over the years and the one that's worked for me particularly. So let me show it to you. Let's go into EssayShark.com. There are, as I said, many others, but I'm going to show you this one. Now, you have to wait a bit here because they do have a wait list for people who want to become experts at EssayShark.com and many other websites that dedicate themselves to writing essays. And these are professional essays. I mean, you do have to have some talent, or you do have to have some sort of career to go into working online for them and many other countries like them, because they will ask you to verify yourself. They will ask you to verify that you are indeed an expert in a subject. So you can go here, and as you see, you have several different areas to this website. And you can see here, this is the area for orders, where the different types of orders for essays come in, and you can see there are several areas of interest like engineering, there's dental health, there's other areas like nursing, and several other topics that you can go into more detail. I could go into more details, but this video would be excessively long, so I'm just going to save you the time and tell you here's what you apply to the orders. And let's just try one out so you can see what I'm talking about. And let's go here where it says engineering, because it's the highest one. It's the highest paid one. And you can see here the details for this order. You can see that there's a set amount of time that you have to complete this order in. And here you have more details about how it should be written, the number of pages. And here you place your bid. You generally have an idea. The website gives you an idea of how much to charge for a certain type of essays. Here you can see the balance that they've already paid me and the balance I still have there. And this gets paid directly to PayPal. I have my own PayPal account set up here. I blurred it for security reasons, obviously, but you can see here that they've consistently been paying me. I've not worked, to be honest, here because I've found other better ways of income, but this is definitely an option that you could explore if you have a passion for writing, and above all, if you have a passion for academic writing, because this is an academic writing website. So that's basically what you would do as an essay writer on this website or on many other websites, and I'll leave links to other websites like this in the description of this video. But I just wanted to show you quickly and make this quick video so you could understand that there are options for you. Whether you live in, actually if you live in Mars and you have an internet connection, then you could definitely work online. And that's just to say that it doesn't matter what kind of passport you have, it doesn't matter where you're from. If you're an expert at a certain subject, if you know or have expertise in writing, or you want to start your writing career, why not start it with an academic writing website like this one? And I know that it's not much for people who are living in the US, or maybe they could benefit as a side hustle from this. But if you're watching, you're from any country in the world, know that there are places you can go to get online jobs. I hope you've liked this video. I would like you to hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of the other videos I will be uploading here on my channel in the upcoming days, weeks, months, and hopefully we can get you started on your online career. That's what I'm here for. I'm here to teach you how to get online jobs and probably ditch your current job for a better and more sustainable and happier life. So see you next time.